Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the practice day for me. Practicing using what I have learned so far to develop my expertise. Using Adobe Illustrator, I will be doing a facsimile of a demo flyer previously designed. As we can see, there are multiple colored triangles designed in the flyer. Here I am using the pen tool to make duplicate triangles precise. And after drawing the triangles, giving them distinct colors so that the triangles are differentiated. And here I am going forward, making small and big triangles. After I have made all of them, selecting all the triangles and pressing shift, dragging the triangles to the artboard that I prepared for flyer design. Now I am picking the color from the demo flyer using eyedropper tool to be very accurate in duplicating the design for practice purpose. Moving onward to the text portion, I am using the text tool. One can use different fonts and font sizes according to their preference. I'm using Acumen variable concept and Lato font. The texts are adjusted by paragraph panel for the straight lines that I have drawn is using the line tool, and for the logo I have used the rectangle tool. So lastly, selecting whole design, dragging it to the artboard and trying to make the design near to perfect. Now the background, for the background of the flyer I made another rectangle filling the desired color using the eyedropper tool. There was a white background behind the triangles, as you can see, which I made using pen tool. Lastly, making everything precise, and yes, going through all the corrections, adjusting the background, the shapes need to be perfected, and yes, I have to save the file, and for this I am saving the file in JPEG format. From the file at top left, selecting export and save for web legacy option, and voila, it was saved and thus it was made. JazakAllaah for watching.